Mirgor is one of the largest TV, cellular, and auto parts manufacturers in Argentina. In this Mirgor plant, we are dedicated to the manufacture of TVs, smart TVs, and monitors from 24 to 85 inches with smart 4K and 8K technologies. The Mir equipment and the Mir fleet system, in charge of managing the robots, assist us by supplying bulky materials such as TV screens and back covers to the production line automatically. The acquisition of Mir equipment arose from a search for technological improvement in the supply process of the TV plant. We sought to replace a semi-automatic, almost manual technology as a locomotive carrying cars that caused problems of internal traffic congestion and accidents. And finally, we could solve this issue by including Mir in our processes. When we compared several technologies, plus the experience we have with some specific equipment, we opted for Mir, especially because the robots have a very good interface. They are collaborative robots and very simple to program, so it was a very good option for us. In addition, we have the assistance of the company Macon, which is a local supplier that provides us with support for the equipment. The most important challenge in including Mir equipment was, in the first instance, its operation by our staff, the need to get used to it and know the benefits of being a standalone device. The Mir equipment is so precise that when faced with an obstacle on its route, it stops and dodges it, or calculates a new trajectory. It is a flexible equipment for any type of process or any type of product. This flexibility means that a product can stop working or change radically, and this equipment can continue to provide support. The Mir fleet is the web interface used by the robots. It can support up to 100 robots. It currently supports 5, which are the ones we have in the plant. The Mir fleet manages the supply chain and the frequency the robots supply the orders. We work with a graphic interface through a cell phone that is placed on the line, and the operator uses it to request materials. Although we use this technology for only one phase of our operative process, the incorporation of this equipment opens a door of scalability for this type of automation. The Mir robots will be able to perform other types of processes, and since we have the knowledge of handling this technology, we could master it and scale it over time for future developments, processes, and products. So, that is the most important role we find today: the scalability they have and their rapid return on investment.